Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download the Roblox account. So first you open the Google Play Store. There on the search bar type in Roblox and tap on search. You can see the application on the very top. Now you just need to tap on install just beside it. With that the installation process will begin. Roblox is a global platform that brings people together through play. Roblox is an online game platform and game creation system. It allows users to program games and play games created by the other users. It is the ultimate virtual universe that lets you create, share experience with friends and be anything you can imagine. You can see here the application has been fully installed. Now you just need to tap on play and with that the application will open. So this is how you can download the Roblox account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and update. Thank you.